Менің құрметті қазақстандықтарым, Америка Құрама Штаттарының Қазақстандағы Елшісі ретінде менің қызметім аяқталды. Ниеттеріңізбен ақ көңілдеріңіз үшін баршаңызға алғысымды білдіремін. My dear Kazakhstanis, as I conclude my assignment as Ambassador of the United States of America to Kazakhstan, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for the hospitality and openness you extended to me the very moment I arrived in your beautiful country over 3 years ago. I've had unforgettable experiences in your country. I visited some of the most beautiful and spiritually uplifting places in this world. I will always remember the overwhelming sense of peace I felt when visiting the holy pilgrimage sites of Beket Ata and Chopan Ata in Mangistau province, the soaring mountains of the Tian Shan, the immense rolling steppe of central Kazakhstan, and the pristine lakes, forests, and streams of eastern Kazakhstan. I only regret that my work here in your stunning capital of Astana kept me from seeing more of your country and meeting more of you, but that could take a lifetime. I greatly enjoyed being commissioner of the United States Pavilion at last year's historic expo, where ideas for the future energy gave inspiration to the world. I'm proud of the diplomatic achievements we made working together to strengthen and expand the relations between our countries and our peoples, including helping to realize the historic meeting of our presidents in Washington in January of this year. I will miss the stirring yet soulful sound of the dombra and the kobuz. The refreshing taste of my daily drink of shubat, and of course, I will miss my yurt. But most of all, I will miss you, the great, strong, free, and diverse people of Kazakhstan. You are what make your country special to me. I'm glad to have had this opportunity in my life to get to know you, to learn from you, and to share in the richness and diversity of your culture. Although I will be leaving Kazakhstan, you will always be with me in my heart and in my hopes. You are a country and a people blessed with great material and spiritual wealth. Your fascinating history, your inner strength, and your vision for the future inspire me. My dear Kazakhstanis, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. Farewell. Sіздерді менге бағалап отаймын. Құрметті менің қазақстандықтарым, сіздерге шын жүректен рахмет. Аман сау болыңыздар.